right, find the parametric and symmetric equations of the line passing through the point 1, 1, 2 and perpendicular to both I plus j and j plus k. So the formula for a line, the parametric formula is going to be r of t equals r naught plus t times the vector r. So first thing that we're going to do is try to find the vector r. So it's perpendicular to both I plus j and j plus k. So any point, or rather the vector that's going to be perpendicular to both is just going to be the cross product of those two, and then r naught is the point that we're given. So this part's actually going to be pretty easy. So set up our cross product. It'd be I j k plus minus plus, and the vector I plus j is just going to be vector 1, 1, 0, and then j plus k is just going to be 0, 1, 1. So let's put those in our cross product. And that is going to be equal to, cover the I side, 1 minus 0. And that is in the I direction, minus, because we're going to the j next, cover up the j, 1 minus 0. In the j direction. And then plus our k direction, which is going to be 1 minus 0 again. Simplify all those, and we get the vector 1 minus 0 is 1, negative 1 minus 0 is negative 1, and then 1 minus 0 again is just going to be 1. So this is what r is going to be. So now we're just going to plug that into our formula that we have written up here. So r of t equals r naught, our point, which was 1, 1, 2. Plus t times the vector 1, negative 1, 1. So a couple of things that we're going to need to get from this so that we can do our symmetric equations, because this is already our parametric equation. We'll write it in a different form in a second, but this, these, and this are going to be our naught values. So this is x naught, this is y naught, and this is z naught. So that's going to be important in a second. And then this is going to be a, b, and c. So to get our symmetric equations, what we're going to do is we're going to take x minus x naught over a, set that equal to y minus y naught over b, and set that equal to z minus z naught over c. So x naught, we already know that it's 1, so x minus 1 over a, which is 1, so we don't need to put that. That's equal to y minus y naught, which is also 1, over negative 1, so that's just going to be negative, plus, and then that's going to be equal to z minus z naught. Z minus our z naught value is 2, over positive 1, so it's 1. So this is going to be our symmetric equation, and this is going to be our parametric. And then another way to write that parametric equation, if you want to actually solve it through for those values that we just got, it's basically going to be x, y, z equals t plus 1, negative t plus 1, and then t plus 2. And all we did there is we just go t times 1 plus 1, t plus 1, and that's in our x position, and then y, t times negative 1, negative t plus 1, put that in the y direction, and then z times 1, or t times 1 rather, plus 2, that's going to be our z value. And that's it.